Hey, this is LP with S&W Service and Repair. I just want to let you know, man, having the right team is important. It is so important. You guys are choking up on your $500, your $200, your $1,000 when you should be putting that money out there. So you holding that money like this. You can't receive no new money like that. Let me tell you how a small investment on my part to Miss Ward helped me out today. I'm in a new market. Mind you, she told me about the market. That's a plus right there. So this is my first day in this new market. I'm running calls. I've had 2 calls. Actually, I've had 3 calls before I get on the phone with her. We just chopping it up. She's on a long drive somewhere. I'm on a long drive somewhere. We do this from time to time now because we built that relationship, and I'm so thankful for it. But anyway, so as I get to the end of the call, you know, she asked me, what appliance am I going? What is this? So I tell her I got a such and such dishwasher and it's doing this, and I got the control board. She said, all right, I know you got the control board, but make sure you look out for this. I had one, and guess what it was? That. I ain't giving y'all the game. Y'all gotta call her for it. But I say that to say this. It wasn't the exact same thing, but it was right there. So I picked up on it immediately. Whereas if I had went in that call blind, I wouldn't have been as diligent to look for that. That's just in casual conversation. Just like you and a homeboy going out, doing such and such. Say, hey man, I went that way other week and there was a police hiding out there. You know what a little field is, and that duck off right there, be on the lookout. It's the same thing with having a great team. They're gonna see some things that you might have not seen, or they just gonna remind you of some things. Man, I'm telling you, it is important for you to build these relationships and pay that money for mentorship. Now, quit playing. It is 2023. We in March. Take this seriously, man. Take it seriously. Build these relationships. Now I can go back to my hotel because I'm in a new market. I'm not at home. I'm in a new market. I get to go order me some nice food because I've knocked out 3 calls today. First call complete. I got 1 other call while I was here, and I have the part ordered for that customer. He knows it's gonna be a week or so before I get it. I'll be back here next weekend to take care and service this customer. But I got those 4 service fees, and I have 3 first call completes. Like Mike tell you, put some money in your pocket. Hey, you better pay for the right mentorship, man. You better start spending that money so it can pay big dividends on the back end. Stop worrying about the front end money. That back end gonna be better, baby. I'm telling you. Hey, get my mentor, my personal mentor, Miss Ward. I'm telling you now, man, the link is gonna be in the description. Get the class, the mentorship, the coaching, whatever you need to take your business to the next level. You gotta do it, man. You got to. Look at me. You seen my videos, and I'm always shouting out Miss Ward, working a full-time job and running this business. I'm out on the weekend in 2 states over, getting to the bread. Man, y'all better stop playing. Spend the money. Get you some coaching, get you some mentorship, man. Stop playing.